Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes in the sky as we bring to you this year's closing exhibition from the co-presenter of the Philippine International Pyro Musical Competition, the Philippines' very own Platinum Fireworks Incorporated.
It's getting dark and we've reached the end. We've come a long way together, you and me. But I'm looking at all the colours in the sky as the sun is setting over the horizon, and I'm feeling like this is the end of an era. The end of an old era and the beginning of a new one. And that's okay. So be in the now. Feel the last touch of light as the world turns again. Sense the cold chill of the wind against your skin. Watch the lasers dancing
magsilbing ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Ang bagong awitin. Liwanag, isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim, harapin mo pag-ibig ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa cheap, fake, easy to break. That's how I used to be. Here, take it. Now I'm awake. I'll tell you what I see. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are so real, you are so rare. I see you there, I see you. I see stars, so many stars tonight. You could make diamonds dull. You are so beautiful. I see stars, you shine as bright as day. I will look out for you. We'll light each other's way. You're all stars. See, I went low, not high. That was my problem. Mine. Don't be frightened like me. The darker the night, the brighter you shine. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are on fire, you can rise higher up in the sky. Enjoy the view. I see stars, so many stars tonight. We could make diamonds dull. We are so beautiful. I see stars, we shine as bright as day. I will look out for you. We'll light each other's way. We are so real, we are so rare. We see you there, we see you. We're all stars, we're all stars. So many Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasutlang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay ng aking kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapuluhang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sama sisiglang ilang, mga puso'y lumilipad.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, but the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole road party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Quinto Bueno on the TV screen.
This is like a samba. From the time when they go with the hit and the drums, yeah. She shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And shut the door, she's really pleased, throwing a dot. No one keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of DVC, pieces of heaven.
Piliin